This video we're going to show you how to put a transit van driver's floor pan step in the easiest way to do it, using the MIG welding set. I'll just take you over there now. So basically we've got the cut out, burn the paint off using a blowtorch, propane torch. We've chopped out the old rusty bits, tapped up the new part, which we chopped down. We didn't need the full part. I'm just going to carry on and do a bit of welding. Check you back in a bit. This is just the best way to burn paint off, so you can get a clean weld. Not worse than welding on paint, but get a very successful job. So whilst doing that, what we did is we got a new piece and ground out the spot welds of this, because we didn't need that part. That part goes up there inside the cab, but we didn't actually need that bit because it's in good order. So I made the job easy. We just chopped it down and we've got the floor pan part that we need. So just about to do a bit more welding now, and then we're going to put a driver's door sill in. Show you that bit when we get to it. Okay, just finished off some more welding using this bit of kit. Got my wire feed set to 4.2 metres, voltage 18.6 volts, and I'm just using a mini reel of wire, 0.8 diameter, low carbon steel with some argon CO2. So you can see underneath we've got the new bits coming up, looking good. It's in position, welded in now. Just a bit of cleaning up to do, and then we're going to put sill in. Looking good. As you can see, we've got it in there, welded fully. No spot welds, proper full-blown MIG welds in there. Ready for the next stage, which is the sill. Okay, final stage is cleaning up the sill, and this is the key to it, making sure that all the paint's off, like I said earlier. Getting ready to put the new part on. This sill's not particularly weak, it's just got a few corrosion spots on top. So, but we still put the new piece on, put it up to the floor pan, and that should be a nice job. And it's finished. Bit of paint, body filler, and it should be like new. Alright, final stages.
Oh, do you need me to...
Sorry, no, you're right there. They're still on. Nice, alright, there. Sound is that perfect. Alright. Yeah, no problem. shaping. Turn it off. So we've got the bit of the sill in position, tacked, ready to roll. The floor pan's in, close up on that. Last step, what do you want to call it? So, job's a good one. That's what we say in Yorkshire. Job's a good one. So, zoom back out and back in. Bring it back down. We've got it there. All in place. Got the sill on, welded up, ground up. Bit of body filler, bit of paint. Look brand new. Yep, we've got the pan, floor pan step. Just get all the grinding dust out of it. Get a good clean up and it'll be perfect for the job. So, straightforward job. Took probably about 6 hours or something. Steady away, bit of fun. Enjoying yourself on a Saturday afternoon. Check out more action from the transit guys. Okay, the old rubber going back on. Final stages of the job. Finishing off. Everything's ground up, welded in. Perfect fit. Decent pattern panels. And that's about it.